What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to make another video addressing some of the comments that I've seen in the chats and in my comment section. Every time we have something that goes wrong for Shiba Inu or the ecosystem dev team in what they have created, somehow, some way, Shiba Inu is called a scam. And honestly, I don't think that this is right, to just come out and label that Shiba Inu is a scam when Shiba Inu, they have no control over that position or anything that they do. For the different things that they create, Shibarium, Bone, Leash, the metaverse, all of these things that they've created, they can do whatever they want with. Now, we don't think that they are scams. We want to say that while they are looking for gains, while they are looking to be able to gain more value every single time with a newer thing, or some sort of sales pitch for something, whether it's, cologne and NFTs, or it's a hoodie and merchandise and all different types of stuff that they're looking to get money from. While they're still trying to get money, I don't believe that all of them are scams. I think that they are looking to, assist in some way, or draw the community to another place that could have a benefit, and I'll say that again, could have a benefit for Shiba Inu and the Shiba Inu community. But I see some articles, some comments that come through in the live streams that say, look, I knew that Shiba Inu was a scam. I got out of Shiba Inu a long time ago, or I bought at a low price and I sold at a high price, and I literally just treat it as a bank that will pay me extra money for taking money out, like type of thing like that, where they're buying at 0.0000005 zeros and a 6, and then selling at 4 zeros 1 or 4 zeros 1 1, making money out of it. Fantastic. If you bought billions of tokens and you made money out of it, fantastic. But let's not call Shiba Inu a scam. It's an investment, right? People are making money from that investment. If you have people that are making money, people that are losing money, that's just how investing works. It's a player versus player, market versus market, person versus person, winner versus loser, right? That's just how it goes. Now, whether you have big money that loses and a lot of retail traders that win, that might happen, but it also might not happen, right? You might see a larger investor or a whale that wins, and a lot of retail traders end up losing. But it doesn't mean that it's a scam. So I wanted to talk about Shiba Inu coin and where it has been, and then give my opinion on what the connection should be. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, if you didn't know, Shibarium, the layer 2 blockchain, is live. The layer 2 solution that's going to make things cheaper, faster, is live. And if you go on here, you can get in. I can't get in. I've been struggling getting in. But it is live. Now, with everything that has happened here, they apparently are running into some issues where about $1 million or $1.7 million is stuck on the bridge, where they're trying to bridge over to this blockchain, and it's not really working, right? It's stuck. And that's where all the comments are coming from, saying that, Shib is a scam. Well, this seems to be a blockchain issue. It's not about Shiba Inu, really. It's about the blockchain. It's about the creation of Shibarium and having a little bit of issues. I'm sure they're going to find a way to fix it, but you never really know. But it doesn't mean that's all falling back to Shiba Inu. What a lot of people tend to do, and I say this all the time, what a lot of people tend to do with Shib and the ecosystem dev team is they put them together. Shib is by itself. Shib is its own thing, built by the community, sustained by the community, believed in by the community, and we see the traction and all of that. Everything is by the community and what we decide to do. No like bigger power oversees what Shib is doing, the tax or anything that's happening within there, right? No bigger power can change anything with Shib. You can invest in the Shib, you can have larger whales that invest in the Shib, but nothing can be changed overall, right? Bone, Leash, and the ecosystem, those can be changed a lot, right? They can change everything that you have there if they wanted to. And that's why when they launch something like Shibarium or Shiboshis or clone NFTs or merchandise or the metaverse or Wellies or John Richmond or anything, they can change all of those contracts and things that happen with them. So with the issues that you're having with Shibarium, it's because of the issues with Shibarium, not because of Shib being a scam. Shiba Inu has multiple billions of dollars, trillions of dollars that are invested into this project since launch, right? Well, actually, about $1 trillion has been invested into it since launch. Multiple billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars. Dogecoin is the one that has like $2 trillion invested into it since 2013. Majority of that activity happening more, recent 2020, around that time. But Shiba Inu has billions, multiple billions of dollars that are flowing into it. We've seen that nothing can be changed within it. We've seen that, yes, while you can have a larger burn that happened from the beginning, nothing really has changed from what it is, which is a really, really popular position based off of hype and based off of what you can gain, right? The ultimate dream, the ultimate goal of getting to a penny, of getting to 10 cents, of getting to $1. So to call Shiba Inu a scam, you just may be upset about something that happened to you. And probably it's the fact that you invested into it at a lower point, thinking that we would see a massive skyrocket when Shibarium does launch. And we didn't, right? We saw the entire market that has come down. Shiba Inu is down by 8% today. You're seeing the volume that's down by 9%. It's at $433 million it's going through, which is still $433 million. It's a lot of money. And it's not something that has ever like rugged. It's not something that has ever dropped a crazy amount in one sitting, right? In one day. We've seen it drop. We've seen it increase. We see it fluctuate. That's what investments do. So don't call Shib a scam because of Shibarium's mistakes or because the market is down. Just call a spade, and you made a bad short-term investment. And if you didn't make money out of that short-term investment, instantly you're calling whatever you invested into a scam and that you knew it and all of this other stuff. So I don't want people to say that because Shib is separate than the ecosystem dev team. And I don't think the ecosystem dev team is really scam artists. I think that they want to draw money out of the Shiba Inu community. And that's what a lot of people end up doing. Out of all communities, they create something because they want to draw money out of it. But I don't think it's a scam. So let's stop calling it that. If you believe so, comment down below and let me know if you think that Shiba Inu is a scam. But again, it's not. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. This is the last video I'm creating today, but we will try and be live tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure because I'm going to be on vacation, but I still want to make sure that I'm into the market and see what's happening, especially with Shibarium, and try to actually get into Shibarium because I've been struggling. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.